Well, here we are again, hammerheads. See if it works this time. See?
Okay, we'll just do it. Now enter your PIN. Then press enter. What in the world? They'll deduct $1.50 from your account for the transaction.
I don't
okay,
care.
so agree.
Oh.
There you go. Looks like it's working this time. Whoa.
Okay. Don't count your eggs before they leave.
Yeah, right. I think you have to do, it's a debit card, so checking.
Checking?
Yeah. It looks like it might work, hammerheads.
If it doesn't, I'm going to scream.
Don't scream, baby. Look at it.
I don't believe it. I don't believe
Yay.
this.
Right
it
on.
actually worked.
Right on. Did you get your card?
I sure did.
I'm taking your receipt. Let's take your receipt.